Put your hands together and welcome Omegaman by starting this chant. Listen to me. Omegaman, Omegaman, Omegaman. Let's get up your awesome principal. Yes, way. Now, a couple questions. Who's ever heard of Superman? Who's ever heard of Wonder Woman? Who's ever heard of Hulk? Black Panther? Captain America? How about Marshmallow Man? The Ghostbusters movie, of course. Now you've heard about Omegaman. Everyone say, hi, Omega, man. Does anyone know what the word Omega stands for? O-M-E-G-A? Well, I'm going to tell you. Omega means final. It means end. In the Greek, it's the horseshoe. And today, I'm in your school today to bring a final message that can change your life. But if you take that message and apply it to your life and make you a better young person. Everyone, say this after me. The choice I make today, will determine my tomorrow. My future. Do you know what you just said? You just said this. The choice you make here in 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, middle school years, high school years will determine your future 5, 10, 15, 20 years from today. The power of choice is in your hands. I'm in your school today to challenge every one of you to be a dream maker, but never a dream breaker. And let me ask you a question. How do you spell hero? H-E-R-O. H-E-R-O. But hero means this. Everyone, say this after me. Helping. Everyone. Respect. Others. To be a hero every day, you don't have to wear a costume and a cape to be a hero. You can be a hero every day. How? By using your powers for good. Helping your classmates here at school. Be respectful, be kind. Now, kicking someone, smacking someone, hitting someone, even though sometimes you're joking around. Is that nice? No. Making fun of someone, teasing, name calling, gossiping, even though sometimes you're joking around. Is that nice? No. Making fun of someone on social media with your phone, your social social media apps, is that nice? No. We'll talk about that in just a few seconds. We're gonna have a good time for the next 2 hours. For the next 2 hours, I'm joking, teachers, I'm joking.